What's القرء? When was القرء established? Who is the founder of this institute? یہ سب بتانے کے لیے کہ القرء کیا ہے، اس کا آغاز کب ہوا، اس کے بانی کون ہیں، میں دو بچوں کو دعوت دوں گا کہ وہ اسٹیج پر آئیں اور آپ سب کے سامنے سوالیہ انداز میں، سوال جواب کے انداز میں اس ادارے کا تعارف پیش کریں۔ منیب پلس عبدالوہاب۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. What's your name?
My name is Munibur Rahman.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Salihur Rahman.
What's your age?
My age is 15 years.
Where do you live?
I live in Karachi, 8 Farid Kanuna.
Okay. What's your school name?
My school name is IDARA UM Islamic School.
What's your religion?
My religion is Islam.
What's your best hobby?
My best hobby is to study books.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Subhan.
What's your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Pashto.
How many classes are there in your school?
There are 20 classes in my school.
How many students are there in your school?
There are almost 700 students in my school.
How many teachers are there in your school?
There are 22 teachers in my school.
Excellent. When was this institute established?
This institute was established in 2016.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Sir Furqan is my best teacher.
Who is the founder of this school?
Maulana Abdul Wahab Sahab is the founder of this school.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 8 and also memorizing the Holy Quran.
How does your teacher teach you?
My teacher teach me very well.
How much fee do you pay every month?
There are much.
How much fee do you pay every month?
We don't pay any fee. We get excellent education here, totally free of cost.
Okay. I am pleased to hear this information. I will suggest you myself as well as to my brothers and my friend to take information, to take admission here for education in good religious education. Okay. See you again, inshallah.
Allah Hafiz.